Our Premier account is an international bond that can be attractive to investors looking to invest in a tax-efficient way, with the potential for growth over the medium to long term. So what is an international bond? Well, our international business is based on the Isle of Man and Ireland. And a bond is an investment portfolio wrapped in a life assurance policy, giving it certain tax advantages, although the element of life cover it provides is minimal. How does the Premier account work? Well, it gives you access to investments in a wide range of stocks and shares, corporate bonds, and high-interest deposit accounts. Your investment advisor will help you to build a portfolio that suits your investment objectives with acceptable levels of risk. There's no limit to the amount you can invest and no set investment period. You're able to take money out regularly and defer any tax on these withdrawals up to a limit. The Premier account is also very flexible. Your investment advisor can buy and sell investments as they wish, without it being treated as a disposal for capital gains tax purposes. And in the event of your death, it could continue under another owner or be paid into your estate. You can also put your account in trust, reducing your potential inheritance tax liability. Please bear in mind this product may not be suitable for everyone due to the level of risk involved. As with all important investment decisions, you'll need to speak to your professional advisor before investing.